Hey guys, and welcome back to No Bland Makeup, where we do makeup and body paint tutorials, usually with a cosplay twist. And today we're doing a rainbow cut crease thing. I posted that cut crease video a couple days ago. I think it was a couple days ago. And I was in a makeup group and somebody said, "Where are the rainbow looks?" And I was like, I have all the rainbow looks, only to find out that I have like none. None that are like straight up a rainbow, so this is my attempt to fix that. So if you guys enjoyed this look, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe. But on to the video. It's like not that early, and for some reason I'm really hyper, so today is going to be an interesting day. So I'm going to start off this look by applying some purple eyeshadow to the inner part of my crease. It looks pink in this video. I swear in real life it was purple. If you have the Pinky Rose, I think it's the Brights palette. I'll have all the products that I used in the description. I have it written somewhere, I just don't know where I put it. But I use that purple, if it helps. But just any kind of like bright purple, because I'm going for more of a neon-y kind of rainbow, if that makes sense. So the next color we're going to be doing in the crease is going to be a blue. You're going to want to make sure that you, one, blend it into the purple slash pink, whatever, that we have going on here. But you also want to leave a little bit extra so that you can have some blue that stands out by itself. And also keep in mind that you're going to be blending green into that, so you still want it to show. Now for the green, I decided to go with something a little bit brighter. This is from the, most of these colors are from the Pinky Rose Brights palette. I decided to do that in the outer corner. It wasn't as bright as, well, yeah, it was pretty freaking bright. But I basically put that on the outer corner and kind of winged it out, keeping the green up until the crease. I didn't go past that, and making sure to blend it into the blue. Later on, I go back in with some more blue eyeshadow and kind of make sure that that blue stands out and that it's there, basically. I didn't want to kind of blend it all away, so I went back in with some more of the blue and just kind of beefed it up a little bit. Then, before I forgot, because this was looking a little crazy and just wanted to make sure that I was going to continue to go with this, I went and highlighted the inner corner. That one I used from a Violet Voss palette. It's like Fruit something, I think. I don't know. I'll have it linked in the description down below. They will be affiliate links, so if you're not cool with clicking those kind of links, you can always Google it, because the name is still going to be there. And then just to make sure that everything was nicely blended on the top part of that like crease situation we've got going on, I took a neutral colored eyeshadow. This was pretty close to my skin color, but any eyeshadow that's kind of closer to your skin tone is going to be a good transition shade, because it won't add anything, it'll just help you blend everything really nicely. So I went in and applied a little bit of that. I still can't believe that I haven't done that many rainbow looks on my channel. That surprises me for some reason. But I'm going to go ahead and take some red eyeshadow on the lower lash line. With red eyeshadow, you want to be careful how you place it, because it's kind of like blue where it can get really crazy really fast. So I just applied a little bit on, not even the complete inner corner, just like the inner, like, third-ish, just under that spot where I highlighted. And I went in with 2 shades of red in this one. Don't ask me why, it's just a thing I did. And then I went in with some orange. Now, this basically just made it look like a big section of red. Yeah. I should have gotten a more like orangey kind of orange instead of one that had a little more red in it. But this is what I did. So how I fixed it, because, you know, I want to give you some helpful tips here. I went in with some yellow eyeshadow and blended that into that more orangey shade, so that way the orange in that kind of showed a little bit more. It wasn't so red, you know? And you honestly, for this entire look, you just want to really make sure that you blend these colors together, so that way you get that kind of gradient effect and you get that rainbow. Now I did make it look kind of funky at this part, but I did blend it into the green. That took a little bit. I don't know what was up with this yellow. It just didn't want to blend that much, or at least not to what I wanted it to look like, but it is what it is. Now, if you've seen my last cut crease tutorial that I'll have linked in the cards, basically what I'm doing is putting some concealer on the lid and kind of like smashing two looks together, essentially. I want this to be kind of a negative space kind of look, so I'm making sure that the lid part of my eye is nicely like covered in concealer and set with that neutral shadow that I used to blend the top part of this look. And yeah, that's basically it. Like I said with the other tutorial that I'll have linked above, in case you guys want to know how to like do a cut crease step by step, you just want to really take your time and make sure that you're getting all your lines exactly the way you want it, because if you rush through it, you're gonna mess it up, and then it's gonna be a lot more time trying to fix everything. So with a look that's kind of complicated like this, you really want to take your time. And because this look doesn't have enough going on, I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of winged eyeliner. Now I didn't do a super like huge like bat wing kind of eyeliner. I kept it kind of short, and basically just lined my eyes. I just wanted to give my eye a little bit more lift. I like the almondy shape. Sue me. But if you guys want a video on how to do winged eyeliner really well, that's hopefully going to be in focus, I'll have that eventually. It's on my list of things to do. And then once I've done that, I'm going to apply some false lashes and mascara. The lashes I decided to go with were just like length lashes, nothing super like chunky or whatever. Nothing like the Lady Gaga look that I did a while ago. But if you guys want to see a full video on how to apply lashes, I'll have that linked in the cards. I forgot where I was going to put it. But that is the finished look. Hopefully you guys like some rainbowness going on, and excuse my green screen. It is not reacting well to the fact that I have green in my hair. You think I would have thought of that before we did that, but no. So, like I was saying, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely had a lot of fun doing it. I don't know why I don't do more rainbowy looks, but that will change eventually. So if you guys did enjoy this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to see what comes out of my channel, and let me know what you guys want to see. I'm all for requests. But don't forget to subscribe, give me a big thumbs up, and I'm pretty sure I said all that already. Am I gonna redo this part? Hell no! I have way too much stuff to do later. But I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!